Hi, I am Dr. Saloni. To be specific, Dentist Saloni, and to be more specific for today, Endodontist Saloni. To me, I would like to modify the word little, the endodontist, and I call it as endodont twist, because I guess this word sums up what we all do. That is endo, don, and twist. So endo basically is that when the tooth is nearing its end, we are the ones who come into play and save the tooth. Don, like literally we are very sweet and we are very genuine people, and you'll always find us smiling, laughing and chilling. But when it comes to save the tooth, yeah, we behave as one. And if you see our armamentarium or the instruments and everything, yeah, you can call us one as well. Yeah, Chota Don, Little Don as it is, not that one. And lastly, to all of you present here, endodontics is only root canal treatment or RCTs. But here comes a twist, that is endodontics is not only related to root canals, or it does not revolve around root canals, but it involves a variety of procedures when you dig into it and explore at it. So there are a variety of procedures like endodontic surgeries, bleaching procedures, aesthetic considerations, retreatments and so on. If I give you a basic comparison, so like the soul is the essence of a person. Similarly, the pulp is the life or the soul of a tooth. And here is the importance of endodontists. That is, when this soul or pulp of the tooth is in distress, it causes pain and sufferings. So here we endodontists come as pain relievers or the healers of the soul or heart of the tooth, to be specific, not the people. Also, as I can see the first years here, so these are the budding fresh dentists. So when you'll come to our department, you'll be definitely welcomed and showered by the words like pulpal floor smooth करके लाओ, marginal ridge preserve करो, line angles round off करो, और तुम लोग करना ये चीज़ and complete this phrase with me, क्योंकि कुछ पाने के लिए नहीं, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है. सिग्नेचर लेने के लिए तुमको ये सब चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे. To me, the journey of dentist to dontist, basically I relate this with a corn, a sweet corn, bhutta. I think everybody knows. A bhutta or a sweet corn in its raw form usually retails for around 10 to 15 rupees. But the same corn, when it is buttered, grilled, roasted, boiled, spiced up, lot of chaat masalas added to it, it costs you double or triple the price. So what I meant to say is, when you work upon yourself, you put in efforts, definitely the value has been added and you are priced up. A chota sa dialogue which I've, like chota sa thing which I've copied from somewhere is, just say yes or no. Pankha chalta hai? Say yes or no.
Yes.
नहीं, उसको चलाना पड़ता है. गाय दूध देती है? Say yes or no. नहीं, उसका दूध निकालना पड़ता है. Exactly. So this is what is there. Like if you want something, you have to do something. And I would not bore you further, and to end this up and sum this up, just want to tell you one little thing, and that's a funny one though. When I was doing my PG back then, so I had my friend who used to tease me saying, when I used to do my root canals in the patient, so he used to tease me saying that what all the time you do that gichi gichi, kach kach, like this. So today I want to give him that answer that yes, I proudly say that I do gichi gichi or kach kach. And you'll never know until you become an endodontist that there's a lot and much. Thank you.